Hi, my name is Manish Kumar. I am 32 years old, living in Kakinada, Andhra Pradesh. I am working as an executive engineer in ONGC. It is a public sector company. I learned about this course through internet and from the YouTube. Uh, the beauty of about this course is this course enhances the skills and it empowers and saves our time, and that's why I wanted to master this art, and this made me to join this course. I'm still completing my course, and I have seen a great change in my work. I can save lots of time in typing mail, writing letter, or getting research data. So really I am enjoying this course, and I am enjoying the classes, the way Aditya and his team are teaching. That's really nice, and the course content is very much uh, appreciable. It's very related to our work. So thank you. I will recommend everyone to have this course. Thank you.